What does NASA want to do on education? NASA wants to make sure that what we call basic education, which is right from the nursery level, the kindergarten level, right up to the fourth form level, is genuinely free and accessible to all Kenyans. We want to be very clear that we can save the resources if we seal the loopholes of misappropriation and wastage, and we have costed that to carry through this challenge up to the Form 4 level can cost this country between 60 and 70 billion Kenya shillings additional to what the education budget is today. And I can tell you that can be achieved so that we can have our children transiting.
On the issue of infrastructure, we will improve and modernize infrastructure in our country. Our competitors promised 10,000 kilometers of tarmac roads in 5 years. As someone who has been responsible for road construction in this country, I said that was utopia. It could not happen. It has not happened. We will ensure that all roads that are constructed have provisions for pedestrians and also cyclists around them. We will allocate sufficient funds for infrastructural development. We have the SGR, which is now the only project that the Jubilee government can show Kenyans. The SGR was conceived under the Grand Coalition government, and it was supposed to link Mombasa, Nairobi, Kisumu, Kampala, Kigali, and Bujumbura. It's now going to a dead end called Naivasha. In somebody's private land. We will ensure that this project is implemented in accordance with the Vision 2030. Regarding the youth, we have a youth bulge in our country. 70% of our population are below 30 years of age. Kenya is therefore a very young nation. The youth can be a blessing or a curse, depending on how you make use of the youth. If the youth are not empowered, they will become drug addicts, they become delinquents and criminals. But on the other hand, if you provide proper training and education to the youth, so that then you impart skills on them, like they have done in China and in India, then you can turn them into a motive force for wealth creation and development. This is what we will do. Skills training, access to capital, so that youth can have opportunities to be able to be wealth creators and employers rather than employment seekers.